Hey guys, welcome back to my page for this age. This is Neha and I welcome you all to my new video. So without any further ado, let's straight to it. So first I am using toner from Chemist at Play to hydrate my skin and set it for 5 minutes. Also, do not miss to moisturize your face well before applying any makeup. Here I am using Citaphil moisturizing cream for further process. Now, time to give some extra nourishment to my skin with the help of Indulgeo Rose Gold Oil. It just smoothens my skin and provides an immense glow, which you can see in after effects. So here I am not gonna use any foundation on my face. It's just the two corrector. One is from Sugar Cosmetic, which is in darker shade, and the another one is from LA Girl Pro Conceal, which is a lighter one. With the help of these two correctors, I am hiding and highlight my areas around mouth, under eyes and obvious the forehead part. Next I am blending both these correctors evenly on my face with the help of wet beauty blender. So this beauty blender is from the brand Vega because blending helps in giving a natural finish you can see on my face. Now I am setting my base with Coloressence compact powder so that my makeup stays longer and it also helps in removing the excess oil. Time to color my eyes with some nude shades. So here I am using Hated with Love eyeshadow palette and start making a crease. Putting this rose gold shade on both the lids to make my eyes more presentable. This Blue Heaven mascara works wonder for me. It uplifts my lashes so perfectly. Also it provides a volume to my eyes. Now I am applying the same eyeshadow on the lower parts of my eyes so that it will not look different from the lids. For blush I am using a Maybelline one in the shade Wine. I really like this part because I love the rosy cheeks. Time to shape my eyes with the help of this Miss Claire eyebrow palette. Eyebrows are a very critical part of our face, so make it well, else your face will not look good. Lining lips before applying my lipstick because it helps in giving a desired shape. For lipstick, I am using a lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Nude Vibes. I really like this shade. Putting some glow to my lips as well. This is from Rainy Nice and Nude shade. My makeup is almost complete. Now I'm setting my face and set it for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, you can do your part. Just like, share and subscribe my channel for further videos. So guys, give me 10 minutes to tie my hair and we'll meet you in the final look. Bye bye.